Children, next very important theorem, that is the midpoint theorem. See, what is the statement? The line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and half of the third side. See, ABC one triangle. E is midpoint of AB, F is midpoint of AC. So EFE is a line segment. The line segment joining the midpoints of AB and AC. So this is parallel to the third side BC and this is half of BC. See what is given? Given in triangle ABC, E is midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB means AE is equal to BE. AE is equal to BE, that is given. Next, F is midpoint of AC. So the length of AF is equal to length of CF. So AF is equal to CF. That is given. Next, RTP. You have to prove EF is parallel to, this is parallel to this. EF is parallel to BC. One condition. And EF is equal to half of BC. That is second condition. See the construction. Draw CD parallel to BE. Draw this is parallel to BE which intersects EF produced at D. This is intersect EF produced at D. Now observe the triangles. So now these two are parallel. Observe the triangles this and this. Triangle AEF and triangle CDF. AEF triangle and CDF triangle. So the proof. AEF CDF. ADF triangle CDF. Observe. What are equal? What are these two angles? These two lines are parallel. This is a transversal. So AB is parallel to CD and AC is a transversal. Therefore, these two angles are equal. Alternate interior angles. So angle EAF is equal to DCF. AEF. Triangle AEF CDF. So angle EAF is equal to angle DCF. So this angle is equal to this angle. Next, what is AF and CF? AF is equal to CF. Why? F is midpoint. So AF is equal to CF. This is given. These are alternate interior angles. Next, AF is equal to CF. This is given. Next, observe these two angles. These two are vertically opposite angles. So angle AFE is equal to angle CFD. Angle AFE is equal to angle CFD. Vertically opposite angles. So this is the angle, this is the side, this is the angle. So by ASA congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore triangle AEF is congruent to triangle CDF by ASA rule. Once the triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are equal. Therefore, length of AE is equal to length of CD. For AE is equal to CD, and one more, EF is equal to DF. EF is equal to DF by CP CD. So AE is equal to CD, but AE is equal to BE. AE is equal to CD, but given AE is equal to BE. AE is equal to BE. So AE is equal to CD and AE is equal to BE. So from these two conditions we can write BE is equal to CD. From 1 and 2 we can write from 1 and 2 we can write BE is equal to CD. CD. And also BE is parallel to CD. And BE is parallel to CD. In quadrilateral BCDE, BE is equal to CD and BE parallel to CD. So in quadrilateral, one pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal. Then that is a parallelogram. Therefore, BCDE is a parallelogram. BCDE is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Therefore, ED is parallel to BC. So, ED is parallel to BC. So, ED line nothing but EF. So, EF parallel to ED parallel to BC and ED is equal to BC. So ED line nothing but EF line only. So EF parallel to BC. EF parallel to BC. This is the first condition. EF parallel to BC. Next, ED is equal to BC. So ED nothing but EF plus DF. EF plus DF. But EF is equal to DF. So by already proved, EF is equal to DF. Replace DF by EF. EF plus EF is equal to BC. EF plus EF to EF is equal to BC. So from this EF is equal to half of BC. So one is EF is parallel to BC. The second condition, EF is equal to half of BC. Hence proved. First. See children, next one more important theorem, that is converse of the midpoint theorem. Converse of the midpoint theorem. See the statement, the theorem 8.10. The line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. See, here observe the triangle. ABC, one triangle. E is midpoint of AB. From E, draw a line L that is parallel to BC that bisects the third side AC. See, what is given here? E is given in triangle ABC. E is midpoint of AB. That is, the length of AE is equal to length of BE. AE is equal to BE. Next, the line L is parallel to BC. L is parallel to BC. Next, what you have to prove? The line L bisects AC. That means AE, AF is equal to CF. That you have to prove. See what is the construction? Draw a line CD which is parallel to BE that intersect the line at D. So draw CD parallel to BE which intersects L at D. Now observe the quadrilateral BCDE. In quadrilateral BCDE, BCDE. What are parallel? BC is parallel to L, nothing but ED. BC is parallel to ED and BE parallel to CD. And BE parallel to CD. In quadrilateral, both pair of opposite sides are parallel. So this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this. What about this quadrilateral? Clearly it is a parallelogram. So BCDE is a parallelogram. BCDE is a parallelogram. So in parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Therefore, the length of BE is equal to length of CD. BE is equal to CD. But what is given? BE is equal to AE given. BE is equal to AE. Given BE is equal to AE. From 1 and 2 we can write CD is equal to AE. From 1 and 2. So we can write CD is equal to AE. So this length is equal to this length. CD is equal to AE. Now observe the triangles AEF and CDF. Triangle AEF and triangle CDF. AEF, CDF. So what are equal? AE is equal to CD. Already proved. AE is equal to CD. This is one side. Just proved. Next, what are these two angles? Alternate interior angles. Angle EAF is equal to angle DCF. Angle EAF is equal to angle DCF. DCF. Alternate interior angles. Next, what about these two angles? These two are vertically opposite angles. So angle AFE is equal to angle CFD. Angle AFE is equal to angle CFD. This is vertically opposite angles. So two angles on side. So by angle side congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent by AAS congruency rule. Therefore, for triangle AEF is congruent to triangle CDF by AAS rule. Once the triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are equal. Therefore, AF is equal to CF. AF is equal to CF by CP CT. So this length is equal to this length. Therefore, L is bisects AC. L is bisects AC. So hence proved.